Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Zoho CRM to the eSputnik email service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho CRM to other systems. For example, in eSputnik you can add new contacts, set up email campaigns for them and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose eSputnik as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Add contacts. At this stage you need to connect your eSputnik account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your eSputnik personal account. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select an address book in which new contacts will be created for each new contact from Zoho CRM. Now you see eSputnik fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Zoho CRM to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to eSputnik as new contacts for each new contact from Zoho CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to eSputnik. After successful sending, go to eSputnik and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the setup of eSputnik data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.